When you cover it, there is no way you get shock or because everything is enclosed neatly. You understand? And the way you can get an effect, negative one is when you kind of put your hand inside. You are not supposed to put your hand. So for basic protection, yes, that's how. So now we want to know if it has an extra protection, like in terms of breakers. See the breakers in here. We have two categories of breakers. This is an MCB. You understand? But this one an MCB. What kind of breaker you use? It's solid price. Eh? Is it written on it? It's written on it and I'm going to know how. Okay. So what is the function of this RCCB? What is the function for that? Or an acid, what is the function for it? It helps to prevent electric shock and second prevent the shocks. That's at the end. Well, I'm not a girlfriend. Talk like so they are asking protection against mechanical damage. So for example, in a place where the cables enter the distribution board and the cables protected, if you come close, you will notice that you see that cuts the main board, it's not pushing the cables through. But if you get close, you see that the cables are not touching the board. You understand? Yeah, so I saw this morning we were doing labeling, right?